That's better. The other side was upside down. All right. So we've done a tub. Well, nearly finished. Okay, that was full. So we're sort of splitting them up into tubs. So this one here, this is your $5 one, isn't it?
Yeah.
So these ones will be $5. Well, that's what we're going to start at anyway. Not the mama. That's pretty cool, $5. Lots of Power Rangers, eh? He looks so sad. They've taken his land. Oh, what's his name? I know that. From, Yeah. What's that show?
Toy Story?
Yeah. Above and Beyond. Yeah, he's the one who gets chased. That's Bluey. Oh, what are these?
I think it's like ugly aliens or something.
They're cool.
Yeah, they might be worth something.
Skeletor. Well, that's the thing. Scoots can't look everything up. That's Venom. Well, he can, but it's a time constraint, and really he doesn't give a shit. He's cool looking. Dragons. You sort of bought what you liked, didn't you, Scoob? You know, like you like dragons.
I was collecting some stuff. But then some,
He was with one for 12 years. What?
some of them are not shot.
Oh. What? I was with one 12 years. What?
That's all Star Wars.
Mm. Oh yeah, they're cool. So how much are these ones?
Like $2 or $3 each, I guess.
Yeah.
Or we could do a bag like we did with the G.I. Joe.
Yeah.
Put them all together.
Yeah, might do that. I think they're like a little baby one. Princess Leia. He's not in Star Wars.
No, he's not.
Yoda, he was cool. And we got some, you can see, so this was going to be like the $2 box, I think, but things might change. Is that Gollum?
No, just some more. He's broken.
He's busted.
I didn't notice he was broken.
So fucking random, dude.
His feet.
Yeah. Yeah, see, I'm not the only one that breaks shit, guys. Alright? His stuff's all in boxes like this. Now, this is stuff that, what's this, Scoop? Yeah. Well, that's a transformer. You paid $8 for that. So this, what's he? There's a Minotaur, isn't he?
Yeah.
That's not broken, is it? It's supposed to be like that. That's cool. He would have had a stand, eh?
Yeah.
Does he stand up? No. That's brass. What's that? I wonder what that's for. Stashing your opium.
Yeah, it's stash thing.
That's a gun. That's the modern one of...
Yeah.
Yeah. They're all to go together to make something or other.
Power Ranger sword.
Is this a Gen 1, is it?
Well, it's a cat.
Oh, it's a cat.
There's like two of them there.
Yeah. So these are just some Gen 1s?
Yeah, it's Gen 1.
Some My Little Pony. Oh, it's another cat there too. It's the same company, isn't it?
Yeah. That's from pretty sure.
Have you looked them up? Did you find the thing to that?
No, I think they're in the box of magnets.
Yeah, some older metal. Like he's got his jaw. The other one didn't have his jaw.
Yeah, Voltron.
What makes him worth more?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, just guessing.
See what the hell it was.
Now that's from a game, isn't it? Micro Man or something.
I think it's Mega Man.
Mega Man, maybe. Look at me acting like I know what I'm doing. That's a bootleg.
Like He-Man.
The He-Man sort of thing. Probably, I don't know where that's made. Oh, he's a Pokemon.
Yeah.
She's cool too. Evil, scary looking.
Yeah, but that bird was burnt.
Yeah. What's this? That's an alien. That's a Godzilla. Is that God of War or something?
Yeah.
So these will probably be $10 sort of thing, yeah?
Oh, you have to get from them.
I'd guess so.
Yeah.
He's cool. You like him, Shanko? That's your little Simpson dude there. He was pretty cool, Krusty. Takes batteries. He must have done something. See?
Yeah, you might talk, but...
Normally he talks. He can't shut up normally, can he? What's this? The mouse. Well, $2 for Lifeline, dude. That was a good buy. What's she doing? Lap dance or something?
No, she's a Final Fantasy.
Okay.
So she's a
Like the one where everyone dies and shit.
yeah, there's a few people in the game.
No, I like the... No, that's not Final Fantasy. What's that one? Final Destination, I'm thinking of. Not the same. This is a Transformer, I guess. It's got a bit of paper on it. Oh, I wonder what that is. It's got absolutely nothing to do with that. That's not a Transformer. And what's he off of?
No, I think it's just a dragon.
We found another Street Shark. No, not Street Shark. Dino Warrior Extreme Dino. What's in here? Have you looked through this bag?
No.
Oh, that's from, Jen used to like that. Toothless.
Yeah, how to train your dragon.
Yeah, yeah. There's a proper movie coming out of that. You see that?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, these are Transformers.
No, they're
Power Rangers.
No, no, but these are something else. I can't remember. They're newer. They came out like after Bakugan.
Oh yeah. That's different. I'm gonna tip these out. I'm gonna tip these out into here and then you can shift them around, alright? To where they're worth more.
They might be remade. Oh, there's a few.
What's this one?
Oh no, that must not be the Bakugan.
Is that a
Cheap, small, what, like food.
These are just Hot Wheels cars. I can't see any great value there, can you? Oh, he's a Star Wars dude, isn't he?
Yeah, but he's cheaper.
Yeah. Okay, sorry.
He's like the same as these, I think.
Yeah, they're just cheap rubbish, aren't they? That's kind of freaky. It's like a... Don't know what that is. What's this guy got there? I thought he had it tapped around his neck. Who's that?
He's the same as the other box of dinosaurs I've got at my place.
It's different though, isn't it? It's that looks like it's from Dinotopia.
No, they're just
No?
like cheaper ones that came out of the 90s.
You know, Dinotopia dinosaurs had like
Yeah, yeah.
head dresses and all that shit on them. What's this here?
Things like trash stuff or...
No, it's not. Any gold?
Nah. Plated.
Plated. Just chat. So what was the best thing out of this box you found, Scoop?
Don't know. Maybe some of the Transformers.
I like Krusty the best. He's my favourite thing out of that box. That's one tub down. Now how many more we got to do, Scoop? One here. We got three big ones and one smaller one. Far out, man. We should just sell it all for $1 each. Somebody want to buy it all? Let's hold it.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
There's some really different things here. All right. So that's it for that one, and we'll see you when we go on the next box.